Hello, my name is Shamil Turner. I'm a systems engineer with Metalogix software. Today I'm going to be showing how we can move pages that we migrated with our website edition to Enterprise Wiki libraries. We simply accomplish this by using the SharePoint edition of our software and making sure that we migrate at the item level and that we map the HTML page content column that is created during the website migration, and we make sure that we map that to the wiki content column that's associated with any page or the wiki page content type in your target SharePoint wiki library. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open up Metalogix Content Matrix Console SharePoint Edition. To give you guys a demonstration of what I already have in place, I actually have this web demo site, which is simply a 2010 publishing page. Within this 2010 publishing page, I have a wiki, test wiki, enterprise wiki site. Now, if I open this up, I have a couple of documents, images, but most importantly, I have the pages library, which is what I've migrated to with the website edition. And then I have my review wiki, which is a wiki page library. So what I want to do is simply migrate the items from pages library to my review wiki. Now, as you see, I've already had my connection. So Turner, it's duplicated on both Explorer windows. And simply put, I'm going to expose the pages. I'm going to go to Items View. I'm going to select exactly what pages I want to bring over. So book 00 all the way to book 60. And I can simply do that by holding down Shift and selecting the first option, then the last. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy these selected items. And then on my Target Explorer view, I'm going to route to that Enterprise Wiki site again. And then I'm going to go ahead and identify the Review Wiki. Now I only have two items here. I'm going to go ahead and right click and paste the selected items. Now, this is our configuration item dialog during any copy. This will change based off the scope of your migration. But understand that if we go into the list content options, I have the ability of applying a new content type during the copy. And this is when I want to apply the content type for each one of these pages as a wiki page. So simply select the check mark, applying new content type. I select the ellipsis, and then I can route to the content type I want to apply that's available on my target site. And as mentioned, we're doing wiki page. I'm applying that content type. Now, more importantly, because in the website edition, it was very important that we mapped from our source extracted HTML to a page content field. We are now performing the same action, but we're mapping from our page content field to the wiki content column. So we're simply selecting map source data to new content type columns. We're grabbing the ellipsis here. And we're going to go ahead and identify the page content column. Have that right here. And this is on the left-hand side is my source. The right-hand side is my target. And we have the wiki content here. So I'm going to go ahead and map this. I'm going to select OK to this job. Now select OK to this content type application option. Now before moving forward, I'm going to do one thing, and I'm actually going to show you the source and target beforehand. So bringing up my web browser, this is my home Enterprise Wiki page. It's a publishing site. Now if I go to the available libraries, I have Review Wiki here. If I enter into that, I get more of the 2010 team collaboration look and feel. As you see, I have no wikis within this. I can go back to Content Matrix to actually be able to see the number of items within this, and as mentioned, I only have two. So I'm going to go ahead and process this job. Now, we have a bunch of options here. We can bring over reference managed metadata, any type of metadata associated with the source ASPX pages, but I'm going to keep these pretty much standard. These are all the default options in place beforehand. I'm going to make sure I increase my login to verbose so I get as much information as possible regarding the data I'm migrating, and I'm going to go ahead and select Run. So this first thing you should do is actually apply the wiki page content type, and now it's going to go ahead and copy each document, making sure that it applies the mapping. Now based on the resources available in your system, this timing may vary, but understand the end result should be your HTML that you've extracted from your website, migrating to your SharePoint space, should now be routed to the Wiki content page. So we have the capability of taking from the website, static HTML website, to SharePoint, and then leveraging the tool set to get you into your enterprise wiki column. So with that, I'm going to select close. We're going to go ahead and take a quick look at our end result, our test wiki. I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page, and we should see some couple of pages here. And as you see, I was able to successfully bring over the content from my normal pages. So it's a two-step process. First, we copy from our static website into a pages library, and then we use the SharePoint edition of the tool to copy those individual pages that we have identified as wiki pages and paste them into our wiki library. All right, my name is Shamil Turner. I'm with Metalogix, and I'm glad that you guys listened today. Thank you very much.